She is going to the park every morning. She is a singular subject, so we use is instead of are. I have many friends in my new school. Many. Many is used with countable nouns like friends, while much is used with uncountable nouns. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. On. On is used when something is resting on a surface. He doesn't like spicy food. Doesn't. He is a third person singular subject, so we use doesn't instead of don't. My brother and I were playing video games yesterday. Where? The past tense of we is paired with were, not was. I'm looking forward to your reply. To. Look forward to is a fixed phrase in English. This is the book that I told you about. That is used to refer to things. Who is used to refer to people. Sarah runs faster than anyone else in her team. Faster. The correct word is faster because it is the comparative form of fast, used to compare Sarah's speed to others in her team. There are fewer apples on the table today. Fewer. Fewer is used with countable nouns, while less is for uncountable nouns. If I were you, I would take the offer. Where? In conditional sentences, where is used with I for hypothetical situations.